The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
I want to tell you about one of the most important lessons I've ever learned in my life. It's called transitions. So when I was in 7th grade, I was in Mr. Knopp's woodworking class and I made this modern deer. 3 years earlier, my brother Nick made the same modern deer in Mr. Knopp's class. I brought home mine and I looked at the two side by side and they didn't look anything alike. And I go, what did I miss? Transitions. Nick was very sensitive to transitions, and his modern deer was beautifully sculptured. Mine was rough and coarse and didn't flow. There were very poor transitions. That lesson made such a massive impression on me that it changed my life from that moment going forward. Because every time I made anything, I became sensitive to transitions. And when you look at my life now and you look at all the woodworking projects that are around me, from my chairs to my furniture to my home to the transitions in the garden to the transitions that I have in the front entryway to our house, everything is about transitions. You look at the transitions that I have between the rock work and the stucco, it's all about transitions. I learned it all in 7th grade from my brother Nick when I contrasted his work to my work. When I saw the difference between these two modern deers, I realized I didn't understand transitions. Now, I've tried to teach this concept to other people and people struggle with it. It's not easy. The key is transitions. Think about how things flow from one state to another. Now, the interesting thing about that is I was contemplating this video. I thought to myself, you know, my mom's in a transition period. She used to take care of us, now we're taking care of her. Specifically, my brother's doing most of the heavy lifting there, and we're in transition. And if you can transition smoothly and elegantly in your life, whether it be a woodworking projects or your relationships, or as things change in your life, you have a much better chance of both observing beauty and experiencing beauty in everything you do.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.